I'm attorney Sherry Stinson. Today, I want to talk to you about estate planning and the idea that you're never too young, you're never too old, but you might be too late. It's easy to think I'm too young for an estate plan, or I've got plenty of time. I'm only 65. But I can tell you, after practicing law for close to 20 years, that this is not always the case. If you want to secure your future, you really need to think about estate planning. And I really want to dispel the myth that it's never too early to start. So let's look at just even recent stories from the news. This year, Lisa Marie Presley died. And when she died, she was only 54. Not too long after her death, it came out in the news that her mother was challenging a trust amendment that took place a number of years ago. The amendment removed her mother, Lisa Marie Presley, as the trustee and replaced the trustees with her two children. Unfortunately, Lisa Marie's son died and she never made it back to the attorney to update the plan. So now here we have poor Lisa Marie. She's gone from the world. And now, with all the money that she had, it's going to be tied up in court and litigation. The real people who are going to make out here are the lawyers who are defending Lisa Marie's plan. You may think to yourself, well, Sherry, I'm not a celebrity. But the fact remains that Lisa Marie died earlier than anyone expected her to. And now, when there is a problem, it's entirely too late to fix it. She's gone. It can't be done. In the case of Anne Heche, who died last year, she was an Emmy winning, award winning actress. When she died, she was only 53, but she had a minor child in place and no will. Now, this isn't terribly surprising because when you look at a recent study by Caring.com, 67% of Americans have never even started with thinking about their estate plan. But unfortunately, now for Anne Heche's son, the money that he would have received to take care of him and put him through college and accomplish all his life goals, that's now going to be eaten up by attorney's fees. You may be thinking again, Sherry, but these are celebrities. What has this to do anything with me? But our point is that no one is special. And just because you have money and resources doesn't mean you won't have a problem. Estate planning really is something that is essential and should not be ignored, regardless of your age or income. It's important to take action now and secure your future and protect your assets and your loved ones. Accidents and illnesses and death can happen at any time. And as in Lisa Marie's case, nobody really knows how much time they have left. This is why it's so important to work with a good attorney who will work to understand you, your family, and your assets. Remember, your estate plan is not just a bunch of documents that say the name on the top. This really is a gift to your loved ones and your family. By taking the time to put a plan in place, you can ensure that your assets are protected, that you're protected, and even your legacy. You don't want to find yourself in a situation where the state has made a plan for you because it probably isn't going to be one that you want. So take control of your future today. I know that you may be feeling a little anxious about getting the process started, but I promise you we'll guide you through step by step. If you're ready to start your estate planning journey, give me a call today at 727 295 3213, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.